Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your teacher Miss Mavra. Today I will deliver lecture of drawing. Today we are going to draw a car. Boys like a car and girls also like car. So how to draw a car? Let's have a look. Firstly we need a scale to draw a car. We draw a straight line with the help of scale like this. Then we add two circles to make its wheels. Wheel on the bus go round and round. So we make two wheels and two circles to make wheels. Now we are going to add a rectangle. Now I am making a rectangle with the help of scale. Two standing line, then straight line like this. First we make two circles, then we draw a rectangle. We are going to draw a car with the help of shapes. Firstly we draw two circles, then a rectangle, then make a slant line on other side, then straight line like this, then a straight line here with the help of scale. I am making car with the help of scale. So it looks neat. To complete a rectangle here, then add its handles, then lights, front light, back light, headlight, then a small circle in it to look like a wheel. Like this. Now our car is ready to go. No, our car is not ready to go. Our car is ready for coloring. So color the car whatever you color like. It's your choice. आपको जौन सी कलर की गाड़ी पसंद है आप उस कलर कार के अंदर करेंगे. Okay? Now you have to practice this car. Draw a car with the help of scale and your pencil head must be sharp. आपने बहुत sharp से काम करना है और बार बार रेस नहीं करना, इतना रेस नहीं करना कि आपका पेज जो है वो टीयर हो जाए. और कलरिंग जो है, जो मैंने रूल बताया हुआ आपको, आपने उसी को फॉलो करना है. लाइक योर स्ट्रोक मस्ट बी इन वन डायरेक्शन. लाइक if you are doing like this, do all car in one direction. If you are doing this form, then do all colors in one form. Your coloring strokes must be in one sequence and in one direction. Don't do messy colors. I hope you like the lecture and your favorite car. Do this practice at your home. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.